In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a missing file in Google Drive. We all know how it feels to misplace an important document or photo, and it can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you need it urgently. Well, worry not, because we're going to walk through the steps to locate that elusive file using Google Drive's built-in search tools. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account and head over to Google Drive. This is where all your files are stored in the cloud, and it's your starting point to recover the file you're looking for. Once you're in Google Drive, direct your attention to the search bar located at the top of the page. This bar is your gateway to finding any file you've ever uploaded or created within Google Drive. Type in the name of the file or any keyword associated with it. If you're unsure about the exact name, don't worry. Just enter any word or phrase you think is related to the file. Now, when the search results appear, you might see a long list of files. If this happens, use the filters to narrow down your search. On the right side of the search bar, click on the icon that looks like a triangle pointing down. This opens up a panel with several options. You can filter your search results by file type, such as documents, spreadsheets, or images. You can also refine the results by the owner of the file, in case it's shared, or by the date it was modified. Sometimes, your missing file might have been accidentally moved to the trash. If you suspect this might be the case, check your trash folder. Click on Trash in the sidebar menu on the left. Keep in mind that files in the trash are permanently deleted after 30 days. So if it's been longer, you might need to try a different approach or check with anyone it was shared with to see if they have a copy. Another useful tip is to check your Shared With Me section. If someone shared the file with you and you weren't the original owner, this is where it's likely to be found. This section, also on the left sidebar, lists documents and files that have been shared with you over time. Lastly, if you're still unable to locate your file with these methods, consider reaching out to Google Support for more advanced recovery options. They may be able to assist you further, especially if you suspect there's been an unusual account activity. And there you have it. These steps should help you find a missing file in Google Drive. Remember, organizing your files with descriptive names and folders can prevent future headaches. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your file-finding mission.